Hi guys, today I'm going to show you installation procedure of a Roboteq Windows based PC utility called Roborun. Roborun is a very useful tool to configure Roboteq controllers. Let's head to their webpage, Roboteq, and then to the download center. So let's download their Roborun Plus PC utility. So I already have the downloaded version of it. So let's install it. So let's install only for myself. And you can see the program is installed. Now that the Roborun is installed, let's open it. So right now, none of the Roboteq controllers are connected to my PC. So for demonstration purposes, let's work offline. And let's choose a controller, SPL2360. You can choose anything you wish. So here are all the parameters or configurations where you can modify and try it out on your controller. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.